Let me share with you how to make a stir-fried noodle dish that is famous for its incredible wok hei, the smoky, savory flavor that comes from a hot pan. I discovered this simple method and it creates a truly special and delicious meal. Begin by heating 1 tablespoon of oil in your wok over medium heat. Crack 2 eggs directly into the hot oil. Use your spatula to gently scramble them until they are just cooked through and broken into small, soft pieces. Next, add about 2 hot-dog sausages, sliced into thin pieces. Spread them out in the pan and let them cook until they develop same crispy brown edges. This step adds a wonderful deep savories to the dish. Now add 1 tablespoon of chopped spring onion and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic to the wok. Stir them continuously for about 30 seconds until they release a fragrant and inviting aroma. Add your choice of fresh vegetables, about 1 cup in total. Good options are sliced bell peppers or cabbage. Increase the heat to high and stir fry them quickly until they are just tender but still have a pleasant crunch. For the noodles, I use about 200 grams of fresh noodles. I boil them fast until they were almost done. Then rinse them thoroughly under cool water. This stops them from overcooking and helps them stay springy. While the noodles cool, let's make the special sauce. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce for a rich color, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce for depth. Mix it well. Add the cool noodles to the wok with the other ingredients. Then pour the prepared sauce over everything. At this point, the wok will be very full and it will take a bit of effort to mix everything together evenly. Keep stir frying over high heat until a wonderful savory smell fills your kitchen. Just before finishing, add half a tablespoon of vinegar. This adds a bright, tangy note that makes the entire dish taste even more amazing. Your noodles are ready. Serve them hot. The combination of the soft eggs, savory sausage, crisp vegetables, and the uniquely flavorful sauce creates a dish that is incredibly satisfying and fun to eat. It is a complete meal that is sure to become a favorite.